How many of us have done good deeds that we keep a secret? No one knows. Very few. The minimum who need to know. I want to teach you one thing, and the reminder is for myself as well. When we commit sin, we are very quick to do it privately. We don't want anyone to see because it's a sin. When we do good deeds, shaitan wants to tap us to say, you know what, just raise your nose up a little bit and put your shoulder up a bit and just walk. That was me, Subhanallah. You did a good deed. You want everyone to know. I tell you, do some good deeds as well that are totally between you and Allah. No one knows. So that when you get to the hereafter, your bad deeds are a secret between you and Allah. But when Allah sees that you have so many good deeds that are a secret between you and Him, He may wipe out those bad deeds and say, you know what, I'm not interested in all this. For you is Jannatul Firdaus. It can happen. May Allah grant us Jannah. So do some good deeds, a few things, small things. Don't underestimate the value of a deed. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us acceptance, and may Allah make it, inshallah, a means of our entry into Jannatul Firdaus.